Think we just found Alpha.
Move!
Nobody's having a good time up there. Holy shit!
You missed! You need glasses, sucker! Damn! Oh, you can't see straight? Well, let me help you with this. Hold still!
The soldier needs our help. Get down those stairs.
Come get me.
Oh, yeah, I'm back in the game. Yeah, that was beautiful, baby.
State your name, soldier.
Private Augustus Cole, Alpha Squad, sir.
Coal? As in the coal train?
Yeah, that's right.
Where's the rest of your squad?
They're sitting tight over in the tomb.
We're Delta Squad. We're here to retrieve the sonic device.
And to get you guys out of here.
Well, hell yeah, we've been waiting for the chopper, but the radios don't work for shit. Sir,
We noticed.
it's the Cedars. They're jamming our transmissions.
Then we have to make those Cedars our top priority, sir.
Agreed. We need to re-establish radio contact with Control ASAP.
Number 83. Damn.
The one and only, baby.
Remember this guy? He played for the Cougars. Defensive lineman. We saw you play.
That's right. Everybody wants to see the train, baby.
Hey, Marcus. Remember? Division playoffs? 40-yard line?
I remember you owe me $20.
Oh, yeah? See me after the war.
What the hell was that?
Stay vertical.
Hold here. Jack, decloak and rip this door. Keep those things away from Jack.
Got one!
Multiple contacts! There's too many!
Oh, yeah!
Fall back! Fall back!
Hold your position!
Behind us!
They're everywhere!
Yeah, which one of you freaks next?
Doors open! Let's go.
Damn! What is that smell?
Seriously, something smells wrong in here.
Those Steelers, they're nasty, man. Nasty.
Get your heads back in the fight, soldiers. Focus. You two, get over here and take these weapons. Don't use them until I give the order. Fire your weapons, Sultan! Hold your trigger down. Gives the satellites time to triangulate.
Oh, yeah! Let's do this.
Yeah, whoa!
Shit.
We should use the Hammer of Dawn all the time.
It only works outside, and even then, only when the satellites are overhead. Basically, you lucked out. Control, this is Delta. Come in. It's getting good. There must be more Cedars. Let's go.
We gotta move. Alpha's waiting.
Lock and load.
We got some more.
Phoenix, pick up the Hammer of Dawn.
Back in your home, bitch.
Hold your trigger down. Give the satellites time to triangulate.
Good shot.
All clear.
Come on, guys. We got to get Alpha.
Form up.
I saw something.
Take the stairs. Control, Delta, come in, Control.
Copy, Delta. Your signal is extremely weak.
We are working on that problem. En route to Alpha's position.
Delta, this is 2-4. Repeat, please. Are you with Alpha? Is VZ clear? Running low on fuel, over.
Negative 2-4. Negative. Stand by. Move out, Private.
Good shot.
Form up.
this?
It's Rojas.
Maybe I didn't do you any favors getting you out of prison.
Let's go.
What's all this shit about Hoffman's operation and his resonator?
It'll map the underground network. Then we can find the Locust Heart and rip it out.
Uh-huh.